Okay, now I've taken everything out, get everything out. This is the warranty card. There is the watch, there is a price tag on it. The official website, the price is 5,500 yen, which is around $40. Because I bought this on sale, so the price is around $30. Okay, as you can see, it's quite a simple military style, this kind of design. It feels a little bit, I don't know, it feels the weight a little bit solid. I thought it is very light because I once bought titanium ones. Those are bigger in diameter but much lighter. This one feels actually has a little bit of weight. But I kind of like it. I don't like the watch to be too light. I mean, sometimes it feels I don't know, but this feels kind of rugged, and you can feel the weight. Had a little bit, but it's not too heavy. It's only 30. I think it's 36 grams. So it's quite light. I mean, maybe because the strap is a nylon strap. This is not kind of cheap, very cheap nylon strap, so I probably would change the strap soon. Okay, as you can see, this is no date window, and the dial is a kind of cream dial. The lug is 18 millimeters. The case diameter is as mentioned. I already have mentioned it. 35.5 millimeter, around 36 millimeters. The lug to lug is on this one, I don't know, 43. I can compare it with this one. This is lug to lug is 43, right? So it's kind of the same. 44 lug to lug, so it's relatively a smaller watch. Now I'm gonna put them on my wrist, show you how it looks. Before I put them on my wrist, let's say the information on the case back. The case back is quite simple, nothing special. There is some information about this watch. Its water resistance is 5 bar, and the model number, or the caliber. Yes, this is a Japan movement. In case in China, the information is nothing fancy about the case back, but it feels not bad. I mean, for the price, it's around $30 as a field watch, and it feels rugged. Now let's put on wrist. Okay, now I have put on wrist. As you can see, the watch is fits my 6.3 inches very well, and the strap is just as long as I expected. It's nothing fancy, but feels quite nice. I mean, because the simple design, and especially the second hand has kind of those the sword, hour hand, and milli hand. Is what I expected on a field watch. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off the lights to check the lume, because it says it's fully lumed. So I wonder if it's really as good as they mentioned on the description. Alright, as you can see, the lume is insane. It's quite nice. I mean, it's better than I thought, because the price is just $30 for a fade watch, and it's not bad at all. I mean, you can clearly see the fully lumen dial. Hello, that's all. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next watch.